What's up, guys? I don't know, see no girl Laxan from on hear the voice and see the face, yeah. I just want to tell you no thanks and welcome. When we say welcome, I mean like welcome to who just subscribe to the channel and say, yeah, we are going to this self or come out strong and you get me? Yeah, I'm here to tell the all subscribers them to welcome and big up yourself, see me, and thanks for your share the video them. Continue to share the old videos and continue to share the new one over there. Call the man and tell them so we're pregnant, yeah. So guys, tonight video not gonna be no prank, no challenge, no story time, no this, no that. My day they advertise one tea when I go to sell, and people me a beg you want to support this right through. Just like I want to support video them, want to support this because me I got help uno lose weight. Me I got help uno when you know I feel period, the cramp them not so hard. If you're diabetic or if you have high blood pressure, me I go bring down on the sugar level and me I go bring down on the pressure level too. You get how me I say. So guys, you see the tea here, it's bad. It good for people with cancer, it good for people with them big jack down belly out of there. You know, say people somehow come. The belly just, you get me, the belly nah go work. You get me? The belly nah go work. So yes, the product here me advertise, want you to tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a mate, tell a mate, guys, to support. If you're the Kingston St. you could have the foreign, once not for there now, no parish, it can send to you. You get me? I say, for those who in Montego Bay want to hit me up on my 876 or on a text me or on a DM me on Instagram at Batin3, or no go get me. I meet on downtown, I'm gonna go give you one order. Guys, I'm go add some video clips in the video here. Some things where the tea, me tell the tea come like a miracle work. And the tea work, the tea help people, me not ask Christ. Me see the tea help people in a 1 week. Some big belly people, you know, me not ask Christ. You know, some people, them belly touch them 20 people. Me see the tea carry down them belly in a week, 5 days, and them something. Me see people with bad period cycle like myself drink the tea. I mean, I tell you, when our period come on one time, we stop like down on the ground and roll, you know, we just roll it out like a G, you know, cause yo, the thing bad. People with high blood pressure, when them either hurt them, the way the thing bad, them pressure go down to a low level. People with sugar, nobody to wanna cut off again for the summer. Everybody come out strong and healthy in 2020. Nobody now walk and drop then poof for the summer. You get me? Everybody come out strong. People want to support the tea good. Man, I express. Only regret this, and the tea is cheap. $3,000 and a one packet, and it full up a big bottle. And then you go drink it 3 times a day, people. Healthy people, man. People come out healthy for the summer, and people come out healthy for 2020. Too much people are dead people. You must come out healthy and strong and fit for your girl. Yeah, right, true. Fit and strong for your girl. I can't say you go fight a girl, blow your pressure lick you down. And you will feel it on your pressure with this bad tea. Yeah. So get someone who know for do for me, because I hurry up and come in. I want the people and believe in the house say me I get mad. I want who know for do for me. I want to know to tell a friend, tell a mate, tell a mate, guys. I want to know to introduce people to this tea. This a tea is not normal, and no normal tea. Me have to know people. I say no normal, no normal. And the tea not have no taste, it tastes like water. So nobody think it tastes bad, it tastes like water. It not have no farmer taste, nothing in taste. The tea not have. People me are telling you say the tea slap wet. The tea have a buzz. So I'm going to add the video clip them to this, and the people them in the business a long time, I'm going to tell you how the tea works. So guess what? Tell a friend, tell a mate, tell a mate, even tell your boyfriend if you belly. Oh yeah, go with a foreign belly. Nice. So guess what now? Remember to spam up the comment section for all who interested, and so remember to continue share with them. Remember to tell a friend to come over the Kimmy and Laxan channel, because be things we go on right. So I don't know some more epic video go drop soon. So guess what now? What else? You get me, answer? Yeah. Guys, we just want to know if you follow we have one business account for the CMT business people. We want to know if you follow it and place no order did it. So because we do worldwide. If you're in the other part, if you're in one other parish, other from Montego Bay, we will send it through nuts for people. Me are telling us that the tea bad. Just follow it at KL_flat_tummy_tea. The link go there in the description. People are down on tea. To the people, me are telling us say the tea have a buzz. You won't regret this. If you have a number, link me. If you already follow we on Instagram, I can text you, but mostly we go to take order from the business account. So just follow the business account, the link go there in the description.
Hey guys, Maya Uten here, and I'm going to explain to you what Te Divina is. This tea has over 12 powerful plants that were carefully chosen to help detox and cleanse out your system to help you lose weight naturally, and most importantly, to help prevent future illnesses and diseases. Now let me go over just a few of the plants that are in the tea. We have holy thistle, blessed thistle, malva, papaya, marshmallow, chamomile, persimmon leaves, ginger, myrrh, chaga, Ganoderma lucidum, and agave. Now, which relates to many health benefits, such as helping with gastric disorders, digestive disorders. It can help you in the circulation of your blood with chronic pain like headaches, joint pain, and also really good for women that have painful menstrual cycles. This tea will help with inflammation, like of your joints and your tendons, or any types of inflammation that you have. It will also help with people that are dealing with diabetes and certain types of cancers or skin disorders like rashes, parasites, ringworm, and stuff like that, because it's really good for that. And just for your common colds and flu. So you guys, the list goes on and on. The documentation and the health benefits of these ingredients alone just go back thousands of years, okay? So let me tell you about another amazing thing that this tea can help you with. It can help you get rid of all that plaque, the stones, and all the gunk that's built up in your body over time from foods that we eat. And it's extremely important that we cleanse and detox our body on a regular basis, just like a car. If you don't change the oil in it, right, it's going to eventually break down. And so our bodies will do the same thing. Now, the only difference is that we eat 3 to 4 times a day. So we need to do it more regularly. Now, a healthy body naturally does that well. Even then, our body would hold back some of the plaque and the gunk over time, you know. So we want to prevent these things from happening. So cleansing your body naturally on a regular basis is very important. Now, finally, the last thing I want to talk about is that this tea will help get rid of 98% of unwanted guests, and I'm talking about parasites. So through the foods that we eat, like pork, beef, chicken, fish, and even the water we drink. These days, we're getting in a lot of imported and exported foods that are carrying really deadly parasites, you guys. Just last year alone, over 40 million cases were diagnosed that were parasite related. And so, you guys, it's incredible that this is the real deal. And so this is Te Divina. The ingredients in this tea will help get rid of 98% of those unwanted guests, okay?